Díomh fóistí is mis múntar áine agus bed méid múna ní ná bheaga I mí man for agus tám ag súil go mór leis. Hello boys and girls, my name is Múntar Áine and I'm going to be teaching junior infants in September in the Gaelscoil and I'm really looking forward to meeting you all. Now, Tom Anna Fór le Múntar sa Gaelscoil and Múntar Máise is her name and I came in today to give Múntar Máise her teddy because she left it at my house last night. So will you come with me and try and find Múntar Máise ar aigli? Tigas Eileen.
She gave Múntar Áine can start too.
Tá mé go mág a raibh mágad.
Go híbin.
Eileen, tá mis ag lerug Múntar Máise. An bhaca tú Múntar Máise?
No, ní acha mé, ach will she sa Laura no sa close?
Féach mé sa Laura agus sa close. Go raibh mágad Eileen.
Mágad Áine, tór ara slán.
Tarlam a fóistí agus raimid isteach sa Laurlan. Oh wow, féach ar seo tá lán leabhar deasa againn. Wow, go hálinn. Ach ní Múntar Máise an seo. Where is Múntar Máise? Maybe we'll try close na scoile. Inis postí tá míid má ag glós na scoile agus nuair a bheidh si ar scoil, beidh si má an seo ag súgra le bhór gáirde. Ach tá ag fécinn timpeall. Múntar Máise isn't here. I'm looking over at our beautiful new playground. But no Múntar Máise. I think we'll have to go back into the school and check inside. Tarlam. Inis a fóistí, tá míid istigh hala na Gaelscoile. Tá spás mór an seo. We have a big space here and when you're in school in September you'll be coming here for gymnastics and Irish dancing and playing lots of games here in our hall. But I'm looking everywhere and Teddy is ag fécinn gacát, but I still can't find Múntar Máise. Ar aiglin a fóistí, ar aiglin. Inis a fóistí, tá míid ag doras an seomra ranga, agus déananig Teddy cnág beag ar an noras. Agus siúla míid isteach, in we go to the seomra ranga. Féach ar seo, tá náid seo go hálinn. This place is lovely, Teddy. Look, we have a sink for washing our hands. There's a leheras for búcailí and cailíní. Oh, this is a beautiful seomra with lots of games and nice things. But cá bhfuil Múntar Máise? Múntar Máise?
Hi, Múntar Áine!
There she is! There she is! Come here, come on.
Again, but I was just about to make a little piece of music.
And wow, look, Teddy missed you and he's glad you're back.
Oh, Teddy. Oh, tá os an down arm go bhfuil tú a rash, Teddy. Well, Páistí, tá an seomra beag nach raibh, though if it's nearly ready for you, I've spent the last few days getting it sorted and cleaned up, and we have lovely Cléhí an seo, lovely games for our matha, for our maths and our numbers. We have Teddy beag an seo, beag glass, a lovely green teddy, and lots of colourful teddies. We have our patterns that we make for our maths work. So we have lots of activities ready for you, Páistí. And look, Teddy, Catan seo, sin an station den Scríb Nora. This is our writing station. Agus tá Teddy eile an seo réig leis na stencils. Agus uirte Páistí úsáid míid we use calc, we use chalk and paper, or we might use marker. No pean Louis. Agus fea cad eile tá an seo tá mórla. And look, we've lovely rainbow mórla ready for you, Páistí. So when you come in September, we have lots of lovely things ready in Gaelscoil Ossory for you. And you know what's very important, Poshti, to be practicing over the summer? Your cutting skills. So we have the scissor rake, and we've lots of Lahanach Difriúil, lots of different pages ready for you to cut. And my children from last year, my Ninon Vioga, and they're going to be the Ninon Vora soon, they made this lovely picture for me last year of all the farm animals, and they were able to cut it out themselves because we spent the whole year, like Dana Clachter, practicing our grip on the scissors. And elephant is rake, fashion. That's Eleanor Elephant. Agus an seo múntar áine tá a lán leabhar Gaeilge a going. A bhaca tú an ceann seo rí-rá is seomra na Ninon. Now tá súla gom nach make rí-rá in our seomraí that we won't have a rí-rá. Poshti, we heard you're so good. We heard we're getting the best.
The best. We're very lucky. So next year, all the little boys and girls that are coming. I was talking to all the Nimri, and I know how wonderful they are. And I know they're practicing their Oscailge at home. They're watching TG Cahir and even speaking Irish with Draharica agus Drafúracha Múra.
So
I am really excited, really excited.
Oh, Poshti, más sibh ar fad. So look, we're rake with the Lauer Biog, agus na Litrica, all our sounds and our letter books, and lovely story books. There's a lovely one here about the bacca, the bees. So we'll be watching out over the summer for the lovely bacca, and maybe you could draw a picture or two of them. And the last thing we're going to show you is our Myrna Marie. We have jigsaws ready, múntar áine. Look, fair cuid na Chalíní, agus cudella na Bucalí. Tá is a gum go bhfuil ansimig na Bucalí sna Dini sin.
Yeah,
God, they love these characters. I nearly forgot, we have a special place in our shomra.
Oh.
We have a special place that Poshti can go when they're really, really good. Go Mom, they can go into the pobble. She takes the pobble.
Look at
now,
that.
it's Sai Salak and Ishmar.
Think
Kind of left in a hurry, and we left a little bit of tea that Múntar Áine brought in from her lovely farm. So it's a little bit Salak, Múntar Áine, because we did kind of run out of the school quickly. Oh, we'll be busy, won't we?
Yes.
Have you a scoop, Múntar Áine?
I have a scoop, and it'll all be cleaned up before September.
Oh,
and we'll be
don't be
ready
bored,
to
Poshti.
welcome all the wonderful boys and girls that we've heard about. And we're both, Múntar Moshe and I, are really excited to meet you all.
And Teddy wore her best dress, her best goona for this special occasion.
Yeah.
Doesn't she look very glitzy?
Beautiful.
Go hauling,
beautiful.
Teddy, go hauling. Slán Poshti, agus Becky Shiv.
Me man for.
Me man for.
Gahúntaach.
Slán.
Slán.
Tá fáilte bhór roimh go dtí Gaelscoil Ossory. You're all very welcome to Gaelscoil Ossory. Tommy dun seo sa Laurelin, we're in the school library, as I'm sure you've already seen with the Teddy and Múntar Áine. Agus Tommy ag súlgamór le sibh eiscint I me man for. We're really looking forward to seeing you all on the 1st of September, we hope, as long as we have permission to restart school at the appropriate time. Tá súlagan go méid 8 míon úntaach a gaibh anseo in our downtas sa scoil. We're looking forward to you having 8 wonderful years of learning, fun, sport, play, music, creativity, and all the things that go with the best of being in school. We're really looking forward to seeing you. We hope you're going to enjoy your time with us. We hope that you'll have all your books from our Laura Lista, which you're going to get in the next few days by email. We hope you will have all those in your Málaí Beaga. We hope you're going to come in with very small lunches for the first few days. Don't forget, we'll be in school only until Manlay, until 12 o'clock for the first few weeks. So you're not going to need big dinners coming in your lunch boxes. So we hope that you'll bring in your reusable lunch boxes every day, that you'll have healthy food and snacks in your lunch boxes, and that's the way we'll keep it for the year. We know you're really looking forward to meeting Múntar Áine and Múntar Moshe. All our teachers in the Gaelscoil are called Múntar, like Múntar Siobhan, who's with me here. And we have a really friendly atmosphere. We hope to you, the moms and dads, that you will always be willing to come and chat to us if there's a question, if there's a difficulty you have, and remember that no question is a silly question in the Gaelscoil. Ben mi lance asta in ceiste tágat a ragart. We hope that we'll be in regular communication with you, and we hope that any questions you have we'll be answering later on in this meeting in the Zoom meeting if you've sent questions in to us. So, Leshin, Sinead na Príomh-Rodífa in Gaelscoil, those are the major things. As I said, 9:10 on the 1st of September, and you'll be down in Muntor Masha or Muntor Anya's room, and again, you've seen those with the Teddy. So, Tommy Dixula Gomor, Leshin, be excited Dasagriv, have a lovely, restful summer, and we look forward to seeing you when you're ready to come back to school.
Agus bhalam Correlation made a dúirtan máiste, tá méid ag tnú go mór le sibh eiscint an géad láid a bhean for. We're really looking forward to welcoming our Nínan Fioga Fehe Ishtakar Skull. And you're a very lucky group of parents and children because we have a beautiful new playground which will be a fantastic asset to children because it's through playing and climbing and hanging and crawling along the ground and that type of play that children build up the strength in their core, which is so important to enable them to sit down for longer periods of time than maybe they've been used to and to develop the skills necessary to write. So we would encourage you not to start writing, not to spend the summer preparing for school by writing, but to spend the summer preparing for writing by playing, by building up your muscles, by doing things like maybe baking and helping at home. Anything that involves using your fingers, rolling out Play-Doh, any activities like that are really good for building up children's strength and especially their core to prepare them for school. One other thing that we would love you to do at home is to read stories and especially rhymes to children. Building up the concept of rhyme is extremely important for reading later, for analysing words, those early years, and that awareness of rhyme through nursery rhymes is really, really important. Agus comala sin, má tá cúpla focail gaeilge, lenigi orah ag buintú sáideasta, go háirithe sa bhaile, le bhúr drothach agus trafúracha, má tá drothach agus trafúracha ní sinne a gaibh, agus gan áras TG Cahar. So bin an tanamh as an saora. Saora tanamhach ag súgra sa bhaile le the clown, agus e bin tanamh as an da aimsir, agus bemid ag tnú go mór leis bheiscin to man for.
Yeah, right.